I'm Jen. I'm from the Elyria Public Library, and today we are doing Foodie Fix with Kiffle cookies. They are a traditional holiday cookie. The one that we're making is a Slovak recipe. Even though this cookie did come from Hungary, it has a little bit of a twist on it for the Slovak cookie. So we will get started. So everybody, we have a cup and a half of flour in this bowl here. This is a half recipe because I made half of the cookies already today. So we're doing everything by halves. So we're adding 1 more egg, 2 more egg. This is a stick and a half of butter. And then we have a little bit more than 1/4 cup of sour cream. And the sour cream is usually the traditional part of the Slovak cookie. You don't usually see that in the Hungarian cookies. So then all you're gonna do is beat this until you get a coarse mixture. And then you'll end up using your hands to form a ball, and then we'll go into the next steps afterwards. So as you can see, the mixture is a little bit coarse, and that's just because we used the butter and flour mixture. So what you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna use all of your dough up by making little balls. This half recipe makes about 36 balls, and you'll want to refrigerate them overnight before moving on to filling and baking. So after you take your balls out of the fridge, you are going to roll them out using powdered sugar. This is not flour. There is no sugar in this recipe, so this is what's gonna give you some of the sweetness to it. So you're just gonna toss out some powdered sugar. We're gonna coat it, and then we are going to use a rolling pin. And it should stay relatively circle, but if it doesn't, that's okay. So here is one cookie. So here's some other ones from earlier today. So traditionally, Slovak cookies have either a nut mixture or a jam. So today we have raspberry preserves and apricot preserves. Growing up, my favorite was always apricot, so that's what we're gonna go with today. You put some in the cookie, and then you roll it. And for the Slovak cookie, it turns into a horn-shaped cookie. I don't know why it's horn-shaped, but that is usually the traditional Slovak shape. Usually if you see other cookies, you'll see them kind of folded, and they're usually a little bit more rectangle, and you'll see the jam coming out of the sides. So once you're done rolling and filling your cookies, they go in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 375. And again, this half recipe makes about 36 cookies. A full recipe will make about 60. And this is what your finished product will look like. So we have a row of apricot and a row of red raspberry. And that's what you have for your Kiffle cookies for your holiday party. Thanks everybody for watching. Again, I'm Jen from the Elyria Public Library, and this was Foodie Fix. Stay tuned for more videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.